Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about something very incredible about the Redmi 14C. Xiaomi recently launched the Redmi 14C, which has an entirely different design from its previous generation, which is the Redmi 13C. We're going to be seeing if this is actually the best budget-friendly device right now in the market. So let's find out. For what is actually in the box, well, you find the phone itself in the box, some paperwork, and the 33 watts fast charger, a silicone case for your device. The first impression when it comes to the design is that it is a pretty sleek design, and I have noticed for most budget-friendly smartphones in the market, this is actually the trend. You would see a more circular design these days, and it comes with three different builds, which is the plastic back, which you would see in the stereo blue, which is what I have in my hands right now. Comes with the glass back, which you see in the midnight black and the dreamy purple, and then the leather back, which you see in the sage green. So which do you prefer? Are you more of a glossy person? I would definitely recommend you go for the glass back, or you're just a leather girl like me, well, go for the green, or you can just go for the stereo blue. They are all beautiful. The device comes with a plastic flat frame, which you see by just looking at the edges. It has a single speaker, which you can increase to 150%. The Redmi 14C currently has a 6.88-inch display, which is an LCD of course, which is the largest display so far in the Redmi series. Well, the good thing that they added, which is the refresh rate, this is a 120 Hz refresh rate, which is something we saw in the Redmi Note series. This is an added advantage for gamers in the 6.88-inch, which is going to give you an immersive display. While streaming online, the color production of the display seems pretty good. For the camera, I tried the 13 megapixel front camera, and this is what I got. And for the portrait mode, this is what I got, and the 50 megapixel AI camera. Well, in terms of the battery, it comes with a 5160 mAh battery, which is an improvement from the previous generation, which is the Redmi 13C, where we saw that it came with a 5000 mAh battery. It supports 18 watts fast charging, but I noticed that it also comes with a 33 watt physical inbox charger. For the processor, it's a gaming processor that has up to 2.0 gigahertz and supports Android 14. It allows you gamers to actually enjoy fast and smooth running in your device, which allows a memory extension of up to 8 gig RAM. The phone comes with three variants, which is the 4 gig, the 6 gig, and the 8 gig RAM. For the 4 gigs of RAM, you can actually extend your memory by 4 gigs of RAM, which means that if you buy the 4 gig 128, you can extend your memory by up to a maximum of 4 gig, allowing you to have 8 gigs of RAM running in your device. And for the 6 gig 128, you can extend it by up to maximum of 6 gig RAM. For the 8 gig, you can extend it for a maximum of 8 gig RAM. It supports the Xiaomi HyperOS. While playing games, the Mediatek Helio G81 Ultra seems pretty smooth. There was no lag, and yeah, it seems like a pretty decent processor. But this has a dual SIM and a micro SD card slot. For the fingerprint sensor, it is pretty fast and responsive. I tried it multiple times and it was fast. So guys, what actually do you think about the Redmi 14C? Are you sold to go and get the device? Do you think it's actually something you are going to go for? Well, if you found this useful, then please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more future reviews. So see you next time. Bye.